Hi guys, so today I want us to learn something on algebraic expressions, and maybe I can start by telling you what it is about. So when you talk about algebra, this means representing numbers by use of letters. So I'll give an example on how to factorize algebraic expressions. And you can have an example or a problem like x squared plus 2y plus xy and plus 2x. So if you find a question like this, what you need to do first is to make sure that like terms are together. So if they are not, you make sure that you bring them together. So if you look at our problem, you have x here, and then the next x is all the way here, xy, and then we have 2x. So we can bring closer. We can have x squared matching with xy, and then 2y with 2x have 2 in common. So let's do that, guys. So you have 2x plus, that is xy, and then plus, we can pick 2x, and lastly we can have 2y. So this way you realize that those letters that are close have something in common. There's a number which is also common in these two. So if you have something in common, you can group them together. So you can have two groups in one expression. So we can start with our first group, and then we ask ourselves what is common, then we bring it outside. So if you look at x squared and xy, you realize that x is common in those two parts of the first group. So we bring x outside. The number that is common is the one that we bring outside. Then we open the bracket and ask ourselves what must be done to x to make it x squared. So you realize that obviously if you multiply with another x, you get x times x, which is x squared, because a bracket means multiplication. So we are done with the first part. We go to the second part of our first group. So we are left with xy. So we already have an x outside. So again, we ask ourselves, what must be done to this x to make it xy? So you realize that if you say plus y, you multiply positive y times x, it will give you positive xy. So we are done, and then we close the bracket. So we move to the second group. So again, we have positive 2x, positive 2y. So what is common here is positive 2, because we have a positive, you have a 2 and a 2 there. So we again open the bracket and we ask ourselves, what must be done to positive 2 to make it positive 2x? So you realize that when you multiply with an x, you will have x times positive 2, which is positive 2x. Then lastly, what must be done to positive 2 to make it positive 2y? So you realize, again, if you multiply with positive y, you will have positive 2 times positive y is positive 2y. So we are done, and then we close the bracket. So at this point, you realize that you have two brackets, and then there is a letter and a number outside the bracket. So if you have two brackets that are similar, so you see that you have x plus y here, and you have another x plus y on the other side. So you only pick one bracket. So this is x plus y, close that bracket, and then we pick a letter and a number. Those factors that are outside the bracket. So we pick x here, and then you have plus 2 here, and then you close the bracket. So this gives us the two factors that are making up our expression. So if you open up these two factors, they'll bring you back to this expression. So if you are given such an expression, that is how you factorize. If you are given these two factors and told to expand, it is now working opposite to go back to your expression. So I hope guys you understand how that one is done. So thank you for watching guys. You can follow me on Facebook, that is Mary's Classroom. You can also follow me on YouTube. My channel is again Mary's Classroom. Thank you guys for watching. See you during the next session. Bye bye.